Hello, welcome back to Self Learning Hub. Today we are going to learn about how to load data using notebooks. This is going to be an interesting topic, right? To load data from files using notebooks. Right. So, if you haven't gone through with my previous videos, in my previous video we've gone through with learning about what is a lakehouse, creating a lakehouse, and how to upload files into a lakehouse. Also, how to load data from files into a lakehouse. So today we are going to learn about how to load data from files using notebooks. So let's get into Fabric. Right, here we are in app.fabric.microsoft.com. This is the portal, and we are in the learning workspace, and within the learning workspace we are in my lakehouse, which was already created earlier. And let's go into files to see what files we have already in here. We have a CSV file and we have a Excel file, and let's see how to load this CSV file into tables using a notebook. For that, let's open a notebook, a new notebook. Right, here we are in the notebook, and we can use different languages, HTML, PySpark, Python, Scala, SQL, and R in order to interact to and manipulate the data. So let's see how to load this file, CSV file, into Lakehouse table. So let's click on the three dots of the file that you want to load the data and go to load data, and you can see Spark option. Click on the Spark. There you go. There is an automatic generated code is existed in your Python now. So to understand this, this is trying to read the CSV formatted file and options to consider the headers and to load what is the file or the location of the file we need to specify. And all this data will be loaded into a data frame. To test this, let's run. Right. So the data from CSV file is loaded into a data frame like this. And now we need to load this data frame into a table. So for that, let's hide the output. Right. Let's write a code. So df dot, we are trying to write this df in a mode of override if there is any table already exists. Dot save as table and give a table name if it is a new or existing table. Let's say collisions and for Python. Right, let's run. Right, all the Spark jobs are succeeded. Now, to see whether it's loaded into a table or not, let's go into tables and click on the three dots, click refresh. There we go. Collisions Python table is created. And if you want to see what's in there, maybe I want to use SQL code now, SQL query. I'll say select star from collisions Python. Haha, there we see. There we go. All the CSV data is now loaded into collisions Python table. Right. This is how we can load the data from files into table using a notebook.